I have ice buildup on my Frigidaire gallery evaporator fan that is causing loud noise.
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
3 years FGAS 2642 LF. Replace the fan but have the same issue 1 day later.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Was thinking about it, had read the main board may need to be replaced.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The compressor isn't able to start now. Tries and then kicks off.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. The compressor not starting is actually the key to your problems. This causes the freezer coils to thaw and then refreeze, which is why you're getting ice buildup around the fan and all that noise. The issue actually has to do with your compressor kicking off, but now it's gotten worse to the point that the compressor won't even start. Pull the refrigerator forward and unplug the refrigerator. Remove the lower back access panel and locate your large black round compressor. There is a small plastic box attached to the side of the compressor with several wires going into it. This is your overload relay. Pull the overload relay off the compressor and shake it. If it rattles, then it needs to be replaced. If it doesn't rattle, then you likely have a bad compressor and you'll need to call a technician in order to replace the compressor. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thanks for the reply, but after unplugging for a few minutes, the compressor came back on when I plugged back in. I think the issue may have been the defrosting of the freezer.
So while I'm glad that it's up and working again, that is likely just temporary if it's been acting up for a while now. Defrost issues take over a week to develop. You said that you replaced the fan and the frost came back just 1 day later. That's not a defrost issue if you thawed out the frost at that time.
I haven't had any cooling issues that I know of. All of the ice buildup on the fan is on the top portion. Could something be dripping on it from above? I will look into the suggestions you gave me with regards compressor.
The only thing that would drip from the top if your ice maker fill tube. You could check and make sure nothing is coming from the fill tube. If so, then the compressor was likely just overworking and that would stop it from starting up too. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
The compressor relay does rattle. I am going to replace it and go from there.
Okay, sounds great.
I had another start relay from my furniture store. I tested both of them for continuity and they seem fine. Also checked the compressor and got the correct reading. Also checked the defrost heater and got a good reading. My refrigerator temperature is great, but the freezer is stuck at 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. I am pretty convinced the defrost heater has not come on for days. Coils are frosting and I am guessing the line is freezing. Could it be the main board or defrost thermostat?
Most likely the defrost thermostat, but it's adaptive so it can take days sometimes to go into defrost. Though if you defrosted everything, the unit should be running at 0 degrees because a defrost issue takes over a week to cause a problem after defrosting.
Is there a chance I am not defrosting thoroughly enough? The coils seem to melt away quickly, but do I need to make sure everything is dried? If frost is developing quickly, you feel most likely it is a compressor issue.
No, there is no chance it's not defrosting enough. And again, if you thawed the unit out and you had a defrost issue, it would work for a week with no problems. You still have a sealed system issue if it never gets down to temperature and works normally for a week.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.